Hi, it's Tiziana. So today I have a new ColorClub. I bought this for myself, and this one is called Pink Pearls, and it's kind of a nude, you can see, nude, very light one, and a little bit pinkish in the color. I will stamp with Kikko today, and this is number 336. It's a lovely blue color. And then I'll use my Zoya, and this one is called Zoya-Kiltridge. So I've had this polish for I think 2 years or something, and I've never used it. I bought it by mistake very long time ago, and that's the reason why. Then I have also a new stamper. I bought this one on Aliexpress, and I have tested it. It works fine. So, but I just tested it on white, with white polish, so but it stamped well, so I will see if I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna start applying my base coat.
Yo, sis, I don't think they're ready for this shit. Hey, yo, let me take their ass back to the club real quick.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted.
Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus packages, put a lock on the town. I know my bitches be coming from miles around.
It's very liquid to work with, this ColorClub. And fluid, it's very fluid. Or how you say in English, I don't know.
The chicks that come out their clothes, that's when they get it. Mommy, you already know I suppose. Shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Cause I'm watching trials and touchy, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it.
So this is how it looks, the ColorClub. I think is a really nice color for some soft nails, soft designs, and also maybe for a baby boomer or something. I think this color would be perfect.
Get low, bud. How did mommy move it along? If you know you bout it, then get to removing your thong. To the whip and back of the truck, that's where you belong. After the yak, to be the type of raunchy shit they be on. Turn it up, street niggas respect it because my movement is strong. Cause we consistently rapping, see my money is long. All my bitches is with me, see how they singing the song. That's how we get in the stick and we be dicking them long. I let them
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted.
the guard of the block, you see that I'm back. Every single time that I drop, your shit is a rap. For the niggas hating the kid, I'm close to the strap. Cause all these bitches wanna come talk and sit on my lap. Every time I see you bang shit, they knocking your whip. Come on, nigga, always do his thing, bitch. Locking the strip. Come on, lot of mommies just dancing and they shaking their hips.
good stamper. The only thing is you cannot see through it, but it's beautiful, and I collect stampers, so every time I see a new stamper on Aliexpress that's beautiful, I buy it. So I'm using angular brush from Miti. I just bought this one and I'm really happy for it. It works really well. I'm gonna finish my manicure with my favorite top coat now, which is this one from Kinetics, and it's a solar gel.